Kelly Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below. What have I got going on for you for today? Today I am bringing you some really great new finds that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I gotta tell you, I'm pretty excited about some of the items that the Dollar Tree, or at least the Dollar Tree in my area, has just recently started carrying, and that is items for a mini fairy garden. And I tell you, every time I go into my Dollar Tree, it seems like there's more and more items for a mini fairy garden that they're starting to carry, and these items are so stinking cute, and I'm finding it a bit hard to resist these items. And so I might be indulging, and I might be doing a DIY fairy garden here pretty soon. I'm not quite sure. Leave me a comment in the comments below and let me know if you think I should do a Dollar Tree mini fairy garden using all these stinking adorable items. I did find some really great new finds at the Dollar Tree as well that I wanted to share with you, and some items that I will be using in upcoming DIYs. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump into it and let me show you some of the new finds that you can find at the Dollar Tree for this February. I'm gonna start off with all of the new items that I found at the Dollar Tree, these stinking adorable miniature fairy garden pieces. I'm gonna do this in a slideshow type way. I'm not going to describe every piece because I think it's pretty self-explanatory. They've just got a lot of really cute pieces at the Dollar Tree. These are just ones that I found at mine over a 2-week period that I wanted to share with you. In talking with the manager at the Dollar Tree, this is an item that they are going to keep in stock, and they're going to be rolling out new fairy garden pieces every so often. So I think it's a fun new DIY to start. I may start one myself, like I said, and it's definitely something every time you go to the Dollar Tree, you might want to go take a look to see what new items they have that you could add to your collection. I think that they had a pretty great selection of the fairy garden houses. This pine cone house was honestly my absolute favorite. And not only did they have the houses, but they had a lot of accessories to go along with it. They had bridges, little gazebos. They had these stinking adorable mushroom clotheslines that I just could not resist. You name it, they had it, all the way down to the fairy figurines and gnome figurines. I think that these 3-pack figurines are a great buy. They came in assorted different types of accessories with animals, signs, you name it. They pretty much had it. And I gotta tell you, I think that this miniature fairy decor that they're carrying is such a fun addition to the Dollar Tree. Another item that I found that seems to be new at my Dollar Tree is this cork. This is a ceramic knob cork for any of you who may drink apple cider or wine. This is a fun way to recork those bottles so they last a bit longer. These adorable ceramic ring holders, found this cactus one and a pineapple one. These were right by the check stand when you check out. These red and blue polka dot chicks are super cute and make for a great decor piece in a country kitchen. And how about this fun desk plaque that says, "I'm kind of a big deal," stinking adorable. Also found this wood brave plaque. This is something fun. These Omopay gel active foot pads. These are new to my Dollar Tree. These are great for that person that is on their feet in heels all day. This is really supposed to add to the comfort of your heels on the ball of your feet. I also saw that Dollar Tree had a ton of new patterns in washi tape. This is a great buy at the Dollar Tree.
I love washi tape, and you may be seeing this in some upcoming DIYs. I also found some really great new scrapbooking stickers. You can't beat these stickers for $1. When you can get adorable stickers like this at the Dollar Tree, why would you go to Joann's and Michael's and buy them? This is a new item in my Dollar Tree. These 14mm pearls that come in a 50 pack. Amazing buy, and you can most definitely expect to be seeing these in some upcoming farmhouse DIYs. This is also something new that I saw and looks like something fun for Allie. This hair dye that comes in green, pink, orange, and purple. The back doesn't really state how to apply it, but it's probably pretty easy. And for $1 for Crazy Hair Day at school, great buy. Picked up 10 packs of these moss sheets. I am so stinking excited that my Dollar Tree finally got these in. I saw them on Bargain Bethany's channel, and I have been keeping my eye open for them. I found them, and again, you will be seeing these in some upcoming DIYs. I also picked up 6 packs of these decorative Easter eggs, 6 packs of these adorable twine carrots. Couldn't resist these. A couple of these plastic crafting mason jars, and a couple of Dollar Tree's LED candles. These will all be used in an upcoming Easter DIY.
Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for my first haul of February. I hope you enjoyed today's haul and you found some items that you might want to keep your eye open for. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 3,000 likes, because those thumbs up, they really do help my channel to grow, and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.